Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have what you need: a Google account and a browser or phone. First, sign in and open Drive. Don't stall. Create a top-level folder for projects and another for personal, then tap the plus button to make a Google Doc or upload a file. Once done, rename items concisely so you can search later. Make sure to enable two-step verification for security. This prevents accidental lockouts and protects shared files from unauthorized edits. Now organize purposefully. Move files into the right folders and apply color labels for urgent versus archive items. Once organized, share with collaborators by right-clicking and choosing Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Remember to add a message and set link access limits. To keep files current on your computer, install Drive for desktop and choose which folders to mirror or stream. This ensures offline access when you need it. Finally, use version history for docs to restore prior edits if something goes wrong. Finish by trimming storage. Delete or archive large files, then empty trash to free space. For ongoing teamwork, create shared drives and use shortcuts rather than duplicating files to avoid confusion. Automate repetitive tasks with simple app script or templates to save time. If sync stalls, pause and resume syncing, sign out and back in, or clear Drive's app cache. These steps usually resolve upload or conflict errors. Make sure to check permissions again if collaborators report missing access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.